have been your fault after all. When Mr. White accused Mr. Thorncastle of tampering with his shoes, we realized that he may have done the same to your brother's shoes all those years ago.
Michael told me the floor had felt extra slippy that day. I'd always just presumed he was trying to alleviate my guilt. I had to know for sure if it was Freddie's doing. You did tamper with Ron's shoes, didn't you?
I get so worked up now. We both know he doesn't belong here. Shame she bore the brunt, but he needed to be taught a lesson.
And what about Michael? Did he need to be taught a lesson too?
That was years ago. It was just a prank.
I fell and crushed his neck, Freddie. And it was because of you that he slipped.
No. It was because you decided to perform some over-the-top lift you weren't ready for.
This can't be happening. We're beaming live to the nation. Will somebody do something about that priest?